Hi children. Next today our topic is subtraction on the number grid. In previous class we used to take only number line from 0 to 10. Now here number grid means 1 to 100. We are taking the number grids. Now see, if you listen carefully, then only you can understand and you can do the exercises. Now first one, what it is? 47 minus 6. Here in subtraction you have to move back side, that means your left hand side. What is the first number? 47. Where it is 47? Yes, circle it is 47 is there here. Yes, second number, what is this? 6. You have to move how many steps? 6 steps. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you count children here from 47 to 6 steps you move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you got answer? 41. To check answer it is 41. You have to count how before numbers previous you should count. You learn to count no 47 on the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 47 before, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. You got no answer 41. Yes. Next one, what is this? 81 minus 8. Now where is the 81 number in this number grid? Tell children. Yes. 81 number it is there here. Yes. How many steps you have to move? 8 steps. Yes. Means you have to jump. One row up you have to take. Means this row up you have to take where I am keeping the arrow line. Yes. 81. What will come? 81 minus 8. You have one row up no children. Yes. 81 on the mind, again 8 in your fingers. 81 before, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73. Up to where? 73. Yes. What answer you got? 73. Here one row up you have to keep the arrow line. Here 73 is the answer. Yes. Next one, 60 minus 10. Where is 60 number in this? Yes. Search here, where is 60 number? Yes. Here 60 number, one row up line, arrow line you have to keep. Up you are moving, no? What is this answer? 50. Yes. 50. Now check this answer. 60 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0 only. 6 in the mind, 1 in your finger. 6 before, 5. You got no answer, 50. Yes. By using this number grid only, now we will go for the exercise. Next children, go into the exercise 3.4. Here in previous we learned how to do subtraction by using the number grid. Like that only, by using number grid you have to do subtraction and addition. Now what is this numbers? 90 minus 40. Ones, tens. You have to take the columns ones and tens. What is this first number? 90 minus 40. Yes. From which column onwards you have to do addition? To ones column. Ones column, what numbers are there? 0 minus 0 means 0. Next in tens column, 9 minus 4. 9 in the mind, 4 in your fingers. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5. What you got? 50. These two numbers now we have to do plus. What numbers? 40 plus 50. Yes, no children? 40 plus 50. Now again take one sentence column. 40 plus 50. Now what is the symbol? Here what you got answer? 50. Now 50 plus 40. Take ones and tens column. Ones, tens. What is first number? 50 plus 40. Now count. This is the plus symbol. 0 plus 0, 0 only it will come. And 5 in the mind, 4 in your fingers. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got no? Answer 90. if two numbers we have done place, what you got? Answer 90. Yes, whatever you have done, it is the correct answer. Next one, 65 minus 9 it is there. What is first number? 65 minus 9. Now see here children, from small number onwards you cannot take away big number. Now what you have to do? Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 15. Yes, 15 in the mind, again 9 in your fingers. 15 after, 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What you got answer? 6. One number is given to the ones column, one number will be less in tens column. What is that number? 5 before number, 6 before number, 5. Nothing is there no here in tens column. Number, same number 56. Now do the addition. What is this first number? 56 plus 9. Again take ones and tens column. 56 plus 9. Now in these two numbers, which is a big number? 9. 9 is a big number and 6 in your fingers. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 if you got means how you have to do? What you have to do? Ones and tens. Whatever is there in ones column you have to keep here, and tens column what is there you have to keep in the tens column. Yes, 5 plus 1, 6. We got no answer 65. Yes, next one 35 minus 8. This one also you have to do subtraction. 35 minus 8. Here also see, from small number onwards you cannot take away 8. Big number. Now what you have to do? Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 15. Yes, 15 in the mind, again 8 in your fingers. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What you got answer? 6. Here one number given to the ones column. Here one number will be less in tens column. What is that number? 3 before number 2. Here nothing it is there, no? Same as it is 2. Now you have to do this one addition. What is this first one? 26 plus 8. Ones, tens. 26 plus 8. In these two, among these two numbers, which is the big number? 8. 8 in the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again you count. 8 in the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 8 after. 8 in the mind, again 7 in your fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you see 15 comes, you will write 15 here only. Ones and tens. Whatever is there in tens column you have to keep here, and whatever is there in tens column you have to keep carry. Yes, 2 plus 1, 2 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 2 plus 1, 3. You got no answer 35. Yes, next one 88 minus 10. 88 minus 10. Yes, 8 minus 0 what will come? 0 no value, but what will come? 8 only. 8 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 8 before 7. Yes, this one 78 plus 10. Again take here ones and tens column. 78 plus 10. 8 plus 0 what will come here also? No value for 0. What will come? 8 only it will come. 8, 7 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 7 after 8. Yes, we got answer. What we have done, it is the correct one. Whatever we are doing addition to check this answer whether it is correct or wrong, that's why we are doing addition. See here, 90 you got it. Again here also 90 it is there. Again here also 35 it is there. Again if you take minus, here also it came 35. Again here also you see 65 it is there when you have done addition. Again if you done minus means here also 65 you got. See here also 88 it is there in minus. Again when you done these two numbers addition you got 88.